Hello, you guys. Today's topic is on the hidden reason that you can't stay consistent. Yes, and it's not actually what you think. It's because you're not failing because you're lazy or anything like that. You're failing because deep down inside, your brain doesn't believe that peace, success, or healing is actually safe for you. It actually believes that survival is safe. Okay? Your subconscious runs 95% of your behavior. If it was trained to believe you always fall apart, you'll unconsciously sabotage anything that says otherwise. Even your own joy, peace, and happiness can feel like a threat if your trauma says that it won't last. Okay? All right, so that's what I want to talk to you guys about today on Trauma Talks. Okay? This isn't a discipline issue, you guys. Please keep that in mind. This is a safety and nervous system safety issue. And until you create inner safety, your brain will always pull you back to what feels familiar, even if it's toxic, even if it harms you or hurts you. The goal isn't just to change your habits, it's to heal the story underneath them. This is trauma work, you guys. This is identity work. This is what we talk about here on Trauma Talks, okay? Okay? So follow if you're ready to stop fixing your behavior and start to heal the root causes of your behavior. Okay, you guys? Thank you for watching Trauma